Take a look at these pictures from the Houston, Texas area of lenticular clouds. M. Davis captured them just after a series of thunderstorms yesterday evening. These clouds, which look a little like UFOs, are more common over mountain areas where air is pushed upward and cooled to form a cloud. But in this case, a cold front left behind a cold pocket of air, and that worked like a mountain, forcing the nearly saturated air to move upward, forming these clouds, which are shaped by turning winds in the upper atmosphere. Pretty cool to see, and those are possible to see over our local Sierra every now and then, so keep your eye out there. We could see them here at home, and keep your eye on these warmer temperatures because tonight we're warming up fast. Here's Storm Warning 30 to show you what's going on. That ridge of high pressure that's been parked over much of the western United States for the past couple days, well, that starts to slide in starting tomorrow, and our temperatures go up from here. We had a couple systems help us out today. We were actually a little bit cooler by a few degrees compared to yesterday, but still fairly nice for this time of year. But tomorrow it's going to be warm for this time of year. These two systems pulled in a little bit more cool air, so that helped us out for today. But tomorrow, though, temperatures move into the 90s for several spots of the valley, then valley-wide into Thursday. Once we get into Friday into Saturday, that's where temperatures into the mid and upper 90s are possible throughout most of the valley here. And it's a feel a lot like late June, early July here, rather than late May here in the valley. Temperature-wise this evening, it's fairly comfortable out there. 61 now in Merced, 72 in Fresno, and 73 in Visalia and Hanford. Compared to 24 hours ago, we're about the same compared to this time yesterday. And we've had a nice breeze from time to time for today into this evening. Right now, strongest wind at 14 miles an hour in Lemoore, 12 in Hanford and Fresno, 9 in Madera. So winds are calming down in the North Valley. That's a sign that the flow of cool air is slowly dying down and our temperatures are going to warm up here. Quick look outside to our Hedrick Chevrolet sky cam. You can see the trees and bushes dancing around a little bit. So there's still a little bit of breeze out there. 72 now. Winds at northwest at 12 miles an hour, and visibility is looking pretty good, about 10 miles out at the airport. And our highs for today, pretty close to the average of 87 throughout most of the valley. 86 was the high in Fresno, 88 in Visalia, and 86 in Madera. Temperatures for tomorrow will be several degrees warmer compared to what we had for today. And the good news is, even though we're warming up about 10 degrees above average, we're still below records. Those are anywhere between 103 and 110 degrees for this time of year. And today's record, 103, was set back in 1974. Air quality is good to moderate for the valley on Wednesday. That's looking all right there, but likely to get a little bit worse as we move forward here into the later part of the week, into the weekend. Up in the mountains, still mostly cloudy overall, and a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm. We saw a few light showers today. Same deal for tomorrow. 60s for Huntington and Sequoia tomorrow afternoon, 70s for Fish Camp and Shaver Lake. In the foothills, looking for sunny skies, temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, 85 for Oakhurst and Squaw Valley, 89 the high in Three Rivers. And here in the valley, a pleasant evening. Skies will be mostly clear, and we'll keep that breeze going for a few more hours here. It'll come down in the overnight hours. Overnight lows will be in the 50s, Fresno at 58 degrees tomorrow. 90 in Fresno, but the hot spot goes to Kalinga at 93 degrees. So a little bit warmer tomorrow, then after that, a little bit warmer. Then it gets just hot here by the end of the week. 95 on Friday, 98 on Saturday. We're going a good 10 degrees above average for this time of year, but still below records. Then some minor changes later on in the weekend, but you'll really feel the difference Monday and Tuesday. That's where temperatures cool into the 80s. Usually the average temperature is 89 beginning of June, so we're going to hit that on the 1st, then go a little below that on Tuesday.
We have to get through the weekend.
Yeah.
All right.